This is my dirt bike, 90cc, and it's fast, kind of. And I'm going to show you something that I like about it. One thing I hate, sometimes it won't start. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like and what it starts like. First of all, you turn on the ignition and all that. And then when you do it, there's a lever that you pull out, and it's electric. But I usually kickstart it, so it's gonna take on. I decided to use electric. And this is how you regular kickstart it. I'm going to show you why you should ride at home. Because if you do, you're very stupid. And I have a chest protector. I got a glove, and I got a helmet. So, hope you guys liked it. Peace out.